just look at here. When I go and visit site, it's blank, but I have downloaded the theme and all the pages are also visible in this pages section. See, so I was just going through all the options, and then I saw in the setting option, uh, when you go to the reading, then you will see that here it says the home page display, and it's on a latest post, so we have to change it to static page, and then we have to select home page to the home, that is the main page. Okay, but solve of this main problem is, so when you go here from start setting to reading to here the static page, and then you have to select home page as the home, that is the home page for the theme, and then just hit save changes. And when you reload it once again, it's visible.